Whoa, he's going way to the top. Mary, you want to get a little closer there? So I can get you watching them?
Oh, he's got a little anklet thing.
Oh, I love their colors. It's so unreal almost, huh? Oh, he's talking to you. Oh, I'm talking to... The other one got jealous, yeah. Cute. Different greens. Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Let me pet you. Maybe.
He's not sure.
Cute. It's just like, no thanks. Well,
Oh, look, turn around. Okay, I have to go to my food here, all right. Oh, they're the yellow ones.
Oh, they have red eyes. Oh my gosh, this one's sleeping. Well, was sleeping. Little fuzzy heads. Oh, they're so cute.
He's got his feathers ruffled, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. They all technically do. I'm gonna get back up there. I guess so. I guess he wants to get back up here. Somehow.
It's up here. Isn't it another shade of blue that's so pretty?
If I ever get a parrot like that, I'm naming it Mary Poppins.
Oh.
If I ever get like a bird that's blue, I'm naming it Mary Poppins. It's a flamingo! He went like this too.
Oh.
Sleeping, so I was like, flamingo.
They're kissing.
There's... They're in love. They're lovers. Oh my god.
Oh, just sitting here quietly with the pink
Let's see, will you let
scarf
me pet
on.
you?
Oh.
Will you let me pet you? I guess not.
Yep. Good to be
like,
wary, yeah. Look at these.
They're so cute. Oh, chewing on wax, I guess. How cute are they?
Oh, yeah. Look, you're so pretty. You're prettier than our paint colors. Yeah.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh no, he likes your scarf.
Oh. You're gonna like that.
You're not gonna like that. Uh-oh.
Okay. You want to be petted? You gonna let me pet you?